what's in the box. So today, come home from my ride. Got to see some friends along the way. Irene and I rode around, but found this box, looked at it, was going to Irene, but I noticed I had to check out, find out who did it come from, because it was substantial, pretty heavy for a box this size. So it said Momofuku. So Irene, I was like, all right, let me see what's inside, but I'd make sure she was okay letting me open it up first. So anyway, I got my Cutco paring knife. I'm wearing my USA Triathlon Foundation stuff. By the way, you know, if you're looking for Cutco knives, let me know. Send Zachary your way. If you want to support youth triathlon, para-athletes, and Olympic hopefuls, I'll include a link so you can make a donation to the USA Triathlon Foundation. So let's get back to the box. I don't know if you can hear that. It's probably stuff. So anyway, using a Cutco paring knife. Just be careful, it's very sharp. Normally don't open boxes with it, but why not? Okay. First package on top is the Savory seasoning salt. Seasoned salt. Savory seasoned salt. You know, anybody that knows Momofuku, David Chang, he just came out with a book. I know it's somewhere and we borrowed from the library. But anyway, he's a chef that's been on TV quite often. He has a couple shows on Netflix, but he likes to, you know, show off some different culinary styles in the world. So he's Korean, but he goes all over the place. So you can get this from, just visit the link I attached, but you know, you can buy it from Peachy Keen, momofuku.com, by his store. But this is basic seasoning salt, savory salt. This is a savory salt. I'm not sure if he has a sweet one. Salt, spices, don't know what that means. Onion, yeast extract, garlic, pepper, tamari, which is basically water, organic soybean salt, and organic alcohol, kelp, interesting, mushroom, seaweed, and basically it says contained soy. So he's using his warehouse in Brooklyn. I don't know if you can see that, but looks interesting. Here's the bulk of it. So we got more jars of something. Take a look. By the way, I think Irene probably saw this on Instagram or something like that, right? So we have another Savory seasoned salt by Momofuku. It says this one happens to be 4 ounces or 112.5 grams. Hey, I'm Savory, supercharged, salt and pepper. Try me on meats and veggies. Veg. Looks interesting. So this is basic, you know, I think everybody should use salt and pepper on their cooking. So it comes in, looks like a glass jar. Yeah. This is that savory. This is Tingly. All right. Tingly seasoned salt. Kapow! I'm Tingly. I'm a lightning bolt of flavor. Try me on fish and wings. So since it's lightning bolt, we'll dedicate this to the lightning warriors. Tingly, I guess, because lightning. All right, next. Spicy. I'm not sure if this is backwards on your end, but reversed, I should say. So this one has, I'm sorry, spicy seasoned salt. Stand back. I'm spicy. A jolt of heat and roundness. Try me on pizza. Pizza. All right, Mark. It says we should probably use this on pizza. Look at that. All right. This one has spices, salt, yeast, extract, pepper, chili, kelp, tamari, mushroom, seaweed. Interesting. Next up, last bottle in the box. What would have been cool is if he included some recipes in here. But that's me. So anyway, this one, okay. So basically, this is hot chili oil called Chili Crunch. Chili Crunch. And this one doesn't have a label. It's at, oh, maybe it's a plastic label. Yeah, this is a clear plastic label. The other ones have, it's colored. So this one's, reason being is because, so you could see the chili seeds and oil. So this reminds me of stuff that my parents have had, Irene's parents use during cooking in their restaurants and at home. We don't really eat too much of that, this spicy, but it'd be interesting to try it. So this one says, Chili Crunch. Boom! I'm Chili Crunch. A spicy, crispy jumble. Try me on eggs and spreads. So, anybody interested? This sounds interesting. Grapeseed oil. Puya chilies. Coconut sugar. Onions. Garlic. Sesame seeds. Japonese chilies. Chili de arobo. Mushroom powder. Salt. Shallots. Spices. Yeast extract, seaweed, and contains sesame. This is interesting because typically we just get the hot chili oil and then or hot chili flakes, and we have it like this. But this has a different combination, which sounds interesting. Instead, especially the grapeseed oil. So anyway, hope that was fun opening these up. Anyway, have a great day, everyone. See you soon.